Kia ora koutou te whānau o Awanuiārangi. Today marks 2 weeks since we entered the Alert Level 4 lockdown. This is a quick check to say I hope you're all safe and well in your bubbles and adjusting to the ways things are at the moment. Thank you for your feedback on the last video. We are always looking at new and effective ways to communicate with you all, and video seems to be a popular option, especially during these times. I also want to say thank you for your support and patience as we work through plans for delivery of programs post-lockdown. I am especially heartened by the way in which our kaimahi and tauira alike are expressing our uara, manaakitanga, kaitiakitanga, whanaungatanga, pūmautanga, and tumu whakaara. In your support for our whānau, hapu, iwi, and communities, especially the most vulnerable. Our aim is to have detailed plans confirmed over the coming weeks, and we will then be in a position to clearly communicate what those are to you. Rest assured, our priority is to continue delivery of our programs in a way that also ensures the health and safety of all our tauira and kaimahi. I urge you all to continue looking after your mental health. I know uncertainty is often a cause of stress, and there are some great resources to help which we shared with you last week, including a video by Dr. Paul Hirini. A reminder also to make sure you check your emails, our website and Facebook page regularly for information and updates relating to our responses to the COVID-19 situation. Our kaiako are also available via email to answer any pātai you may have. You can send us an email at ssc@wānanga.ac.nz. I wish you all a good and relaxing Easter break. Keep safe, stay home, and continue to look out for one another. Nō reira e te whānau, e ai rāna kōrero, no hōra mai rai raro iaia, mana hei mana ki a tātou I wēnei wā. No hōra mai, kia ora tātou.